Good morning, guys. Welcome back. Today, something a little bit different.
You're very loud.
Oh.
You're like yelling in my ear.
We are at Queen's Park Nature Reserve. Now, it is free to get in, but they ask for a gold coin donation. So, yeah.
Do what you want with that information?
Yeah. If you want to drop $1 or $2, I'm sure they would accept $5, even though it's not gold coin.
You could bring it in gold coins.
You could. 2 2s and a 1 is 5, eh?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Did that come up on camera? That scared me.
Alright, so we're going to have a wander around, look at the animals, and yeah, that's about all I got to say.
Let's go.
Oh,
I want to see the cow.
don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Thank you very much. Let's go. Here's a map of the Wildlife Centre at Queen's Park. We're going to go for a wander, but we can see there's lace monitors, birds, wallabies, rock wallabies, swamp wallabies, paddy melons, heaps. There's so much stuff.
Wombat.
So many animals to go and look at. So let's go for a walk. So the sign in this area says that there's 2 things in here. A red-legged paddy melon or a swamp wallaby. So I'm not sure what these guys are. Not sure at all. Such a lovely feel in here, isn't it? Like, you wouldn't think that this is in the middle of the city. The running water, beautiful parks. Yeah, you're walking on a boardwalk, keeping yourself nice and clean. It's beautiful. And it's free too, guys. Just a gold coin donation to get in. See the little eastern quoll in there, sound asleep, hiding in his little log. Boop him on the nose. Boop. There's another one over here as well. It's a spotted one. Oh, he's coming out. Oh, there he is.
Oh, let me block this.
Oh,
That
doesn't really work. Big carpet python in there, under the heat lamp. Where's this one? Oh, there he is. If you can see that, I think it's a spotted python.
Oh my god.
Or is there 2 snakes in there, or just one, do you reckon? Just changes a bit. Oh, he's shedding his skin, is he? I'm not sure, but he's coming to check us out.
The very fat blue-tongued lizard. We have these in our backyard sometimes, but sometimes our dog gets to them. Whoa. Hello.
He's trying to fly before.
Oh.
Very unsuccessfully.
Hello. Jump, jump.
We're in the bilby enclosure. It's very dark, but there he is in there, hiding away.
This is going to be very hard to see, but there is a mouse in there. Very tiny mouse. Oh, it's so cute. It's not really coming up on camera, especially because it's so dark. But we can see it. It's this one. It's so cute.
Spin effects hopping mouse.
It's in there.
It's a brush-tailed rock wallaby.
Look at how he's sitting.
Must be very comfortable.
Can you imagine if I sat down like that? Like,
Do you want to try?
not on the ground while I'm wearing a white skirt.
And then over here we have the the big kangaroos, the eastern greys, just lying around doing what they do best. Nothing.
This line says there's an emu.
Emu. I can't spot any emus off the top of my head. I can see a pigeon, but I can't see any emus. So I just missed getting this one on camera sitting down. It was very funny. I understand why they sit like that now. It's like us backing up to a lounge chair and then just
Flopping down.
flopping your butt on the chair. That's what he did. He just like flopped his butt on the ground, and kept his legs out straight. It was quite funny to watch.
No, it's so strange to me that they sit with their tails
Between their legs. Yeah, it is funny. But must be comfortable. So if you live up this way, they need volunteers. There's a website there on the bottom of the sign where you can go and apply. Got to be 18 years or older to do it. The turtles are catching a bit of sun. I'm sure that water, same rock. And if we go over this way, you got the lizard in the middle catching a bit of sun. I'm sure this water's quite cool. I know, I understand that it's man-made, but it's very nice. It's beautiful. Alright, I'm going inside the bird aviary. Alex has a big decision to make. She's either got to stay outside with the lizards, which she hates, or she's got to come in with the birds, which she doesn't like either. I think she's going to come in with the birds because she's safer with Dad than by herself. Please keep one door closed. Alright, let's go. Oh, think there's what?
There's lizards in here as well.
Probably not, because it's all caged off. Exit only. Here's the entry. Alright, we're going this way. Forgive me, I do not know names of birds, but there's two there. I can tell you that they are ducks, and this one that's having a bath, I just saw him on the sign back there. Oh, have a look at the colour of that one.
It's like a little bird crossing.
The green.
I like the size of that bird.
So back to this one, hang on. I believe it's the buff banded rail. What's he eating? A worm? Or a lizard's tail or something? No, it's a worm. And he really doesn't care that we're here, does he?
No.
Well, let's continue walking past him, see what he's going to do. Not a thing. Continue eating. That pretty green one's called an emerald ground dove. What are you doing, Alex? That's why it's walking around on the ground. There's another one up in there. They're all hiding up in the trees, way up above everyone. They probably get fed in the afternoons, and that's probably when they come down. This is a princess parrot. It's very noisy. It's just up there singing away.
I relate. Just very noisy. Look.
Very noisy, but doesn't do anything. Oh. Polytelus alexandria.
Named in honor of Queen Alexandra.
Oh, there you go.
I feel very honoured, thank you.
Very noisy. Listen to it. It's going off. There's signs up everywhere saying don't feed the bats. No, sorry. Don't touch them. But we haven't seen one yet. We will let you know if we do, but I don't know where they are.
Best friend. Look at him. I love you. Oh my god, so cute. I'm really thankful for the camera, like out of focusing from the fence. Oh, there's another one. It's like in there. There we go. It's like in the log. Not in the log. It's on the other side of the log. Oh my gosh, she's so cute. dingoes.
He's eating the boots.
In we go. And oh my god. Let me close the gate like it says to. Look. Oh my god. Oh, Dad is on the phone. He's so cute. Hiya. There is a second gate to go in. Oh my god, there's a peacock.
Ah, he was asleep, I think.
Oh wait, here's facts about the cow. His name is Dexter. Oh. He gets to play with the goats. I love that. Oh, I want to brush him. He probably won't let me do that, hey? Oh my god, look at the goat. Hello. There's two of them. Their names are Buttercup and Elsa. I love that. Hi. Oh my gosh. We'll come this way. Hi, friends. Oh my gosh. Oh, and here's the peacock I was talking about. There he is. She, he. There's a little goose in there too. Duck, 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 goose. What else do we have? Oh my god, can they not do that? I know that like defies snake law, but it still scares me. What is this? Is this a possum? No. Yes. Lemon brush tail. Possum. I've had. Oh, hello, friend. Hi. I've heard that possums in America look very different to our possums. Like they look very scary. I'm pretty sure that thing from over the hedge was a possum, but it just doesn't look like our possums. Chickens. Chickens. Well, come look at this. Okay. I came around here. Scared the fuck. Yeah.
We found the rainbow lorikeets. They're so pretty. Such pretty birds. Does it say don't touch them?
Please keep fingers out of the enclosure.
Oh. Oh, you tell me now.
Or cockatoos may bite.
Oh, cockatoos may bite.
Where are the cockatoos?
I can hear it, but I can't see it. Is it going to focus on them? There we go. I think that's focused. I'm not sure. A couple of black cockatoos. The rainbow lorikeets are all down here on the ground. Hello there. Have a look at the size of the lace monitor. And that's not even a big one, I feel. But it's very camouflaged, isn't it? It's like it's got its desert camo on.
Will climb for eggs and chicks. What if it climbs away?
Bird. Alright guys, that's gonna...
You're very red.
Yeah, that's because you just hit me in the head. That's gonna do it from Queen's Park Nature Centre. I hope you enjoyed that quick look around. The dingoes are playing and trying to catch birds. Alex isn't watching what she's doing.
Yeah, because I love dingoes.
Dingo. No, don't go there. Have you got anything you want to say?
No.
No. Alright. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next week from somewhere else. Hooroo.